Now let's see the results. First, let's see the model in the form of plot contours. Changing the scale factor to see it in a better logical shape. Now some changes on the edges to see better what has happened here. There. Now you can see all 5 layers have been piled up. Let's use the Animate tool to see the simulation in progress. Too fast. Changing the frame rate. That's better. Change the field output to nodal temperature and displacement next. See, the temperature of each layer is maximum at first, but in time it'll change and cool down to reach the minimum temperature. In the end, all 5 layers have the minimum temperature. Changing to displacement. The model has been deformed because of the temperature changes. You can see the deformations here in each layer. Let's show the plot contours on both shapes, deformed and undeformed. Now you can clearly see the difference between the deformed and undeformed shape. Now let's see the temperature changes diagram. Click Create XY data, select ODB field output and click Continue. Select Unique Nodal from here, then select the nodal temperature variable. Go to the Elements tab, select the Pick from Viewport method, then click on the Edit selection. Press and hold the Shift key and select these 5 points or any 5 points from all 5 layers. Click Done, then click on Plot. At first look, it looks exactly like the one we have shown you in the slides. The red line shows the temperature changes of the sample 1-1, the first layer. It starts from the beginning. Why? See this condition again. I equals 1, TP equals 1, 2, so the expression equals 0. At first, when the time 2 is 0, this condition is satisfied, and the temperature would be maximum. It can be seen from the lines data. But in time, the time 2 would become greater and the temperature will decrease. This line is for layer number 2. The purple line belongs to the 3rd layer. The green line is for the 4th layer. and the blue line is for the 5th layer. This is what we are looking for. We must know these changes when we want to create something with 3D printing. How much the model will deform, how the final shape will look, and so on. Knowing all this helps you tune your machine to have the part in the best shape possible. We hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and hope we could have taught you in the best way possible. Best luck! I hope you have received the items that you're looking for in this package. Follow us on our social page and website. Have a nice day. Hope to see you again.